How to create a Google Ads Manager account quickly. Creating a Google Ads Manager account is a straightforward process that allows you to efficiently manage multiple Google Ads accounts under one umbrella. Whether you're a marketing agency, a business handling various campaigns, or an individual overseeing multiple clients, a manager account can save you time and streamline your workflow. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to set up a Google Ads Manager account quickly. First, go to the Google Ads Manager account website by searching Google Ads Manager account on your preferred search engine and click on the official link. Once there, look for the option to start now and click on it. Once you're on the sign up page, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a Google account to proceed. Next, click on Create a Manager Account. You will be prompted to fill out the necessary details such as account name, time zone, and currency. Make sure these settings match the needs of the accounts you plan to manage, as they can't be changed later. After filling out the information, you'll be asked about the purpose of your account. Select whether you want to use the account for managing your own accounts or for managing other people's accounts, such as clients. Once you've completed the setup, review your details to ensure everything is accurate, then click Submit. Your manager account is now created. You can start inviting other existing accounts to connect with your manager account or create new ones from within your dashboard. Congratulations! You now have a Google Ads Manager account. You'll find tools and features to help you keep all of your campaigns organized and track performance metrics effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.